We still got a lot of questions and we got fan mail. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go to. Okay, so you also work as a project manager at Antmar Manpower Services and Karel Elevators Aruba. What type of projects do you do there, and do you enjoy doing them?
Yes. There's not two different companies. Only not to THIJSEN Bureau recruitment company.
That's why I'm like, wait, I know this name. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a recruitment company and to Karel Elevators, elevator and escalator company. So the two different industries. Pero project manager kimita hasita like kiko mita currently busy with restructuring the organization. Itame making automating everything, making everything more efficient, more data driven, more accessibility. Basta you just need a Wi-Fi login code and that's
Done.
it. Basta, you know, I want to bring that modern way of working within the teams, within the companies. Kumita assist within mi familia. This I want to have everything structured. Hopi company of maioria de company Aruba, I feel like they're very outdated or like basta mistere update papasa of a mentality mindset tami switch not fácil. Basta bota spanta hina tami change always brings uncertainty and miedo de bomesita hopi wak tami como to introduce say. But see pretty much automating the way of work. Itami mita handle overseeing the finances, the money. This say itami mita prefera like you know to keep it within overview of the family, miss. This, but he must insight for so finance to make or break your business.
Yo.
This is very important. This me accountant, me business consultant, and they need to be my BFF.
Yeah. That's like the real deal.
Yes, exactly. So me to oversee essay. But yeah, those are the topics and marketing as well. Rebranding is me the basic ying topics. Just I'm prioritizing them. This pero me following 2 years ng kimiti na ying very much.
Good. Now, you did mention cool. It's a family business, so you work. How is that to work with family? Sobra, it's a basta difícil, or if everybody's not on the same page, to differentiate business and relationship. Like,
yes.
So how does that work?
It comes down with communication, like to let it be known, like, hey, nos po have a disagreement, pero una vez nos stop over, nos akabi papi the porta amin no tawa eye to eye bijvoorbeeld kung mga pumita di a certain opinion, respecting ko keda either ways, pero nos po discuti of nos po argumentar like di kong amisi of like me views your views. Pero by the end day, maneno skaba for this even see I got heated, maneno step out the door. Hey, what's that? We're family.
We're back to it.
We're family. Pero like in that moment, nos tata mas tanto business oriented. You know, mas the nivele this is switch imisano ta fácil. It comes down to communicating tambe. You know, si but sinti you've hurt someone emotionally in that field, you know, it can be challenging. That's what you can make it clear afterwards. Tambe like was I hate God, like you know, like I still love you. I don't hate you. Like, you know, manta tranquilo, peace and harmony.
It's a constant reassurance.
See, the reassurance is very important. I feel. Just pa comunica, I say. Pero it's not fácil. Definitely not. It's not for the weak. Pero no, I'm thinking me case me ta hope grateful ko meeting un open-minded family ko me por just pa comunica honestly on a level and tami ko meeting ta quando bisa even though ko mi tata tong persona mas grande eta comprende ta ko mi vision ng modernizing of it. Certain things for type of kind of scare of like I don't know about this.
I mean,
yes, he just agrees with
thing because so you kind of proved your worth. Sorry, Jules. Like you kind of have to step back a little bit. But so you've proven yourself, girl. You came from a 5-star hotel, your own business. Dude, I'm gonna give you some advice, pa. Relax. Okay? But you got it.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah.
Pero
because me ego timbiya get in the way.
You shouldn't, pero at the same time, you worked for it, girl.
Pat on the back,
you worked for it.
Yeah,
I am not mad. I am not mad, Julie. Okay? No, pero what piece of advice bote quiere por duna? Because not everybody has the flexibility of speaking so honest and open ku their family of a band kubosa sina open and chilled about it. So key advice bo por duna ku a lot of friends or family kuta going in business with each other, because that's what we've been seeing ever since the pandemic. Hopi small businesses ta popping up, hoping nang ta family or friend oriented. Man, what advice you can give on that?
Yeah, communication tinko keda on point. And to be honest, si bota sinti algo, af sabes non turhene no ta fácil pa nang comunicar. Some people are scared of people, af hine ta mucho blunt tame. Dus
Yeah.
when we sta honest tame in communication, you know, and it is okay tame. You need, isi tame ta botinko wak ding bo friends or family, kiko nang strengths and weaknesses ta. Anto botinko by a base di nang strengths.
That part.
Pasto si bukeda point out ng weaknesses, bonota ayudando i team, bonota ayudando i organization, bonota ayudando bomes. Das mane botinko enhance ng strengths. Yeah, so sowieso na weakness, nan mesa ta aware si of it. Na mesa sa ati jele.
You got to know.
Yeah, try to work on it. Pero botinko vibe mas lihe riba, by mas focus riba ng strength. Ento sina, wak una turhene ta waro place, you know, take your personality test. So aki personality bus nanta, kita po strengths, kita po weakness, una mi po place po. Of like, una, what's up, like waro place, kita po pasyon ta.
That's nice, a personality test. Nunca me napinsa over.
It's like 16 different type of personalities. It's do I have a link? I don't remember from my.
Oh wow! I've never. I wonder what my personality is. Obnoxious.
Definitely extroverted for sure. Same for sure.
Oh my god! I like to be alone.
Maybe maybe you're an ambivert. Ambivert pero bota mani like boporta to dos. Of to introvert
Maybe.
pero bosa kompa taman yung chameleon ki ora bomesa tabo extroverted self.
There's a time and place. Imita hope ibong the observation. Like
no, I think you're an introvert then. So introverts na ako nasipan na observa hopi.
That's what I do.
Observe. Yeah.
Everybody gets to know me and I'm like, uno ko na siya ta sina quieto. Awo bata
No, I think you're an introvert. Definitely. If you're saying those, but core and those.
So my core is that, like 100%, like hands down. This is me, guys. Leave me alone. Leave me in my bubble.
Oh my god, I'm the same. Like, I need to recharge. So sell off.
People just love to be around me. Say the uncos, like I've always get texts like, "Hey, ¿qué estás haciendo? Like that." Pero like, if you give it to me, I'm gonna stay right home in my room. I don't even talk to my mom. Like, shout out to my mom. Like, ito pa escuchando más seguro. Pero like, si tapami, just like I'm all the way alone.
Yeah, it's like I'm making movies, like I'm making documentaries, like I'm making.
Mito sani kala sunuan to daling hin. Oh no, why is people here?
And you're in the house, like damn. Pero walks in the window.
El teléfono hasta ring.
Nobody's home.
Somebody's probably outside wondering like. See, if somebody answers, that means somebody's home. Like, you know, mom.
This is my day off. I'm not talking to nobody.
me.
No. Energy self. I know. You're an introvert.
That's too much. But that's a good point. I love a personality test A.
Yes. And the essay tami ta nabo pi insight tami. Actually, ami kuchiyo ta hasi essay ding workshops tami kunos.
No way. I love that.
Because but yung better feel tami dibo king bota work with. Anto mani again focus your hin on strength. The weaknesses, yes, they do need to know what they are. Definitely, you need to know what your flaws and weaknesses are. Pabo thrive better. I believe in that. Pero bo sa tami como un team uno bota by place anyone. Mamisa sibo strength at talking in front of people. We know that sibo say algo no tapabo like me no tabay pone ding this like you know setting you up. I want to set you up for success, not for failure.
Not for failure.
You know, the say nandami bo po wak I comprende mas hina nang how they react of ko nang to behave ko nang holding ta volo comprende nang mas miho tamin no manera
I mess with that.
Human behavior. Psychology.
Jules, bo mes bakre se asina hopi. I feel like you've matured and like you've always been mature. Sigong ami. Okay? Mami mama, you something else. You know this, girl. You made me. Like it's your fault.
Patalava mang na.
Tama fault, girl.
I know.
Pero mama, okay, so you've matured a lot, even though you've always been a very mature soul and all of this. Pero you've grown mentally as Tina Hopi. So this is one of my favorite questions. I love to ask everybody. Okay, if you could give your younger self one tip, what would it be?
Wow. Samper, follow intuition, follow a gut feeling. It's always right. It's always right. It's man yung sixth sense, you know? Like, I say definitely. Like, you could feel, follow it. Nunca do the thing I say. Because it's man yung internal compass. This is sempre the point when they're in the right direction. Kiko no Bible manera tampoco. I know this is the second one.
That's
Pero
Go ham, girl. Tell her Julika what you need to tell her.
Itami Kiko, tu costa pasa ding divine timing. This tu costa pasa manera Kiko pasa. You know, like no, ora no pasa it was meant for you, or it not yet. You know, it's sempre Kiko tiku pasa, ta pasa pa. This Kiko, what's meant for you, it will never bypass. So bong amiga tayo sa amin. It's like, girl, speak.
Habla. I love that. Okay, Jules.
I think good friends are inspiring me.
Let's go. That's what we need. If it ain't good friends, click. Bye bye. We got time for you, baby. That's what we need.
Yes.
Okay, but Cindy, like in your life, there was a lot of moments would not go off your gut feeling on the budget.
See, definitely. Like, you know, but otro factoren na tuma over ni momento like but kind of dudano de momento like if so botinko si tamani algo drástico, un leap of faith ko botinko take, it porta hopi scary, it's the unknown, it's the feeling uncertain, basta ibo me sita aware ko bo mes un psych tamen ni bana des kung abo po riparasi na hindi bo mes, pero wow, I lose my train of thought.
Antomida's so into it.
Girl, I just lose my train of thought.
It's all good. I feel you though. It's a pasa kumi. Kira mi.
Like, basta mita hon jump di unkos pa otro. Like, hobi biyan mi brain is like, mita hon bye. And I'm like, wait.
It's all good. What were we talking about? The conversation was what? No, pero
following your intuition.
I get it. Mm-hmm. And it like I feel like it happens to the best of us. And it's all about finding out ki ora botal mani yo.
But think fail tame pasaki ora botak succeed. But men setting a darkness by light tame.
That's how you learn yourself.
Yeah, that's how you learn. Iku botak keda accountable, ikeda check say tame. Unang bes botari parando mane, you know, si bota behaving a certain way, it's not working, you know. Of bota forzando algo, anto bogata bisando otra manera. You kind of need to realize na un momento di bobida ko bota bane I'm following my gut. But so yeah, kung ko by being or but young, but no sa say that where you get older in life, I think mas in tune, you know, in the understanding. Pero see, but still behaving like or about the younger years and then more older years. And I put a big one tabo atras. I feel, you know,
you ain't even trying to mature, girl. Like let it go, let it go. Okay,
I love.
Let it go, guys. Let it go. Okay. All right. So. Next thing, even though I feel like I kind of know the answer, Pesaki Kaba, pero okay, it's another question we always ask here on PYP.
Mm-hmm.
What is your favorite thing about living on the island?
Oh, yeah. Definitely outdoorsness in nature. Is zen DJ, you know, like I can after work, I nothing time people just bike me out to River Beach, walk on sunset, you know. Of everybody, you know, lives close in family.
You good. Like that thing is still my background photo.
You know, I miss the Barbie being Barbie.
I mean so like ayer naman ko nito follow. Pero mi naman like so bummed ko like nunca na hasi abya ka trove. Like Barbie, we always said. Jégate. Oh.
See, na this kubo after work we would do more things, you know. Mita sindi si people bigger like city lifestyles, everything's very fast paced, right? Otro. Pero kinang buti more time ko do a workout afterwards.
Your day is longer.
Book classes, porque un extra un lecture from seminar, porque attend correcto, porque baby sit down friend, un family, watch a movie, or you know, you want to cook, you know what, you have time, you know, at the mas like, you know, even though hobby biyahe na tapuin sa mani robot portadi barato mani outdated and some things ang of hina get frustrated because ano sa mas ding, you know, automated type of, you know, mentality. Toch is zeker bonite sa tami at the same time. Peace of mind and kuno to costa mani di biyahe.
Fast paced, you gotta go.
Yeah, correct. There's time to think and breathe. Just able to make time, see, yes. Pero putting resources na.
I get it. I mess with it.
Yeah.
Definitely a nature girl, guys. Okay, if you didn't know, now you know for sure. Okay, so Busami, we come back to this question. So we do have fan mail until Mitawake Orata 742. Okay, so this person asked this question based off of always seeing you, I guess, in carnival or whatever. Okay, so there was like, What is your nationality? Are you some part black?
Hindi idea kung ano biyahe.
Masahaya ko di constant? Stop.
I'm going to ask me ethnicity, but ano naman yung girl. Di pa ding.
I mean, I feel like full wine it up crew man eh. That we all side eye all of y'all like, are they black? Shout out to wine it up crew in general. Like,
oh, hey, day ones.
shout out to the crew. Pero yeah, like
the question is, what is my ethnicity? Is that a joke?
And they actually ask, are you some part black?
Oh, wow.
They legit ask.
Okay, actually, mi familia di mita actually Rubiano, like, then again, it's a topic for full apart. Pero like, si mi
puro, like, let's just say it.
Mi mami ancestors of my generation, si mi bay tres generasyon atras, like, they're Aruba on both sides. Si mi bay 3 generations atras. Dus mas que say, yeah, mi te kere meeting party ng Europeo. I really want to do one of those DNA tests. Na ako kung tawabo ancestors.
The ancestry ko to say na.
Because I get different type of nationalities. Like this happened with me last week. They were like, are you Asian or like are you mixed Asian? And I'm like, wow, this is like hindi na sura na me tamani. Abo they advance of I mean what? Mi tamani natin you like blood, you know?
You don't look all white. I'm gonna give you that. You don't give a basic white girl. Shout out to all the basic white girls, okay? But you don't give that. Bonota
you have to place me.
Like, I can't put my finger on it, pero like, like, she mixed with something. She got a badonkadonk. Like, The body is bodying, okay? Let's just keep it real.
I don't know, maybe ancestors nanda being the South America masigo. Si mi wake geography, like, is it the closest?
That's the
closest,
think,
you know? Injang, I don't know. Pero, te kumisa, no, I don't know. I want to take a DNA test, though, to see una mi DNA kung leo ilabayan.
Okay, whenever you do, you have to send us the update. Like, at this point, it's only fair that the Periodico show gets this update. Okay, now we know her nationality. Okay, so guys, we'll keep it posted to her. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all know after. All right. So, what do you feel like should be a standard of working hours?
Standard working hours, holo. I think it's ita pertenece mas na para bom mês. Deskiki, so tur gente traha hopi bom ma inda trempang te atari.
Wara. I think they mean this in like working hours, as in how many hours a day you feel like somebody should work, like in an office, and like free up their mind to like not be in an office, but so, like these 9 hours, 10 hours in an office, you kind of lose creativity at some point. So I guess I feel like this is where that question like was stemming from, is like, what do you feel like should be the standard of working hours? So like or in ungsimang, or in a day, or in a month, or
ja, ito moeilijk, pero sowieso met de haya ko si boti un team ko ta extra productively ko nota echt was ko ta extra doen, like I don't know, but start out with like kom sa bahat ora para 6 ora pa dia of like less of like depende tame sit outra coisa depende que bota hasi tame, no? Your responsibility, so si bota pa manager level, director level, but un outro owner level, it's kind of like, do you really rest though? Pero como un trabajador, like si bota gewoon no dingen in level A en to, dus the responsibilities na in level A. Ja, am te haai ko pa 6 ora mes, like 5 ora, you can be productive. Kasi si bo me se wa research nang si bo extra productively sing man echt ding focused, was as 5 bo celular, for outra coisa distract, bo si bo extra productively ding 5-6 ora bo kind of bo ta kla, ko kiko turbo bo kita kla ding 8 ora. Dus
that's true.
Basta amilo bay mas tanto on research, data, fact based, you know? Kiko nanta sakafo. Pero sim, amilo pensa entra ora e will be enough.
I agree with that. 100%. Next question is, can you share 2 important tips on starting a business? Like 2 important for a business startup.
Important tips. Okay, first of all, bon name. Si bo mo sa bon number ina. Boding ko Google research, kiko ta like strong keywords na ko ta kamfor. Sowieso Aruba, ora opi hene usa Aruba ding ng name riba social media. Misa may lesson biya hene tamane, oh my god, ikon sa Aruba. Like riba Google, it works. But so Aruba ta un keyword ko ta hope you search around the world. Because once you have that, lang pahayaba mas fácil. So ito un bonita sa kunos por din kunos pa usa. Pero dus busca din keywords ang a name of a number palavra ng kubo usando din mo number mo negócio wa kung popular ta wa kung hopi ta research to ora sei puxa bo organic positioning tamiri bo Google.
Yeah.
Sei tamani tip kung ipo duna when it comes to coming up with a name. So misai sei ta echt parte di business na hopi hende tamani where direction to go to the options to give a key.
On the walk me kiko periodico pero by shark. What a mouthful. Nobody's searching that.
Pero tem storytelling. Essa é a única outra coisa que tá bonita que tem trazer bo branding. Essa é o importante tipo bo negócio tá bo branding, que bota uniforme, you have your fonts, your colors, your icons. Bosa tudo design tudo coming together is beautiful. It's an identity. And dita keda strak dinge linha nang e porta full personality, porta alter ego tipo a bira bo branding bo negócio.
Yeah.
Maybe boto is super quiet and reserved, of timid, and then your brand is super loud and in your face, Like ito personalidade tipo sumes. So branding is very important with it, and the storytelling behind it. Because bo name is Periodico by Shark, like it's a nice story behind it.
Yeah.
And that's how you can. It's papi kung hina you can sell your business as well. Kasi ita kita captiva hina tami story.
That's big facts.
Mm-hmm.
That's big facts. So there you got it, guys. Okay, y'all got your answer right there. Okay. Now, this is another question. I like this question. What exactly is Meliorate, and why should people book you?
Good question.
I love it. I was like, okay.
Yeah. So Meliorate, stam af de palavra Latin, and it meant to grow, to better, so betterment. So once you work with us, we want you to be better. We do better. And this Meliorate is what it stands for. And I have a funny story regarding that. But so when ora Chio acercame tamane, hey Julie, like basta tempo mi estaba trabajando como freelancer, right after Ritz-Carlton, matrabajo un tempo num digital marketing agency, kasi makorretraha digital marketing department pa compañía on island. Anyway, Chia acercame and she's like, I have this idea, I do agency, can you, would you be on board for the creative side? I'm like, yes, girl.
Say no more.
Say no more. So when we were talking about the name, Mita Koramas wak a definition, the amalireta, something like that, the word itself in Latin, and to the definition of it. And it stuck with me, and I had it in my album, my library photo. I'm like, I know I'm going to use this word for something someday.
One day.
It'll resonate with me. I liked it, how it sounds, how you write it, the beauty of it. And then, what we were talking about the name, mamandi a name, I'm like, how about this? And Julie, stop. What? A week ago, I had that in my bio, the Instagram.
Stop.
Like the definition, like the name, Amalia Rata, like she had in her bio, the Instagram. And I was like, this is meant to be.
Stop.
Yes.
No,
So,
this had to happen. It was only destiny.
It was destiny. Yeah, it was aligned. Yes. So,
Stop.
So, inaya name of being for betterment, for growth. Yes. And what was second question? Why would you book with us? Yeah, nós we pride nos mes hopi ding personalized customized service. Dus nós tá work hopi one-on-one. It's a partnership. It's a collaboration. So it's a relationship. Dus nós tá by hopi riba vibe same. Like si nós tá click o outro. Dus it's algo genuine. E nós tá pensa hopi riba mindful marketing tame. Like hopi biya marketing por topi fácil para throw things out there kuno te actuality. You have to be mindful tame what you put out there. I tame kita resona tame junto kubo kiko research ibo data to back up. So ito algo kuno sa pride nos means hopi on a work, a partnership, a teamwork. Itame we know what we bring to the table. We work at a very professional manner, and communication and the relationship building with those clients. It's important.
I love it. Okay, branding.
We do the thinking for you.
Does that not help?
Yeah, definitely. Kita stress ifibo no anto ito pimuilat pa bota kreativo or bota po mesong business owner. Like hobby biya ita clash duro or mi papi ko otra gente también like pa bota creative pa po mesong things ang or gente timi other insight pa bo na po being with me like otra gente like ideas pop creativity ta boom boom. Pero sí, it help a lot in that way.
It's a lot, girl. Yo no puedo. Now, another fan mail. Is Carnival your favorite season of the year?
I have a funny kudi country carnival question like kita pop up.
I feel like everybody just
yes.
they be watching you like.
Yes, they remind me.
There she go.
There she
That's
yes.
her.
Yes, I do love carnival. Actually, I love Juve. I like going to Juve parties. Like
Juve's the best.
the best release. The
Ah,
best,
yeah,
like,
those are the paint people. I just remember now. Like, sad. Of course you love Juve. Of course you
and
do.
basta carnaval, miss. Like, mita, ami personally, minakaihin come for me. Minsan lang ami tabarato. Pero ami personally tapos sa carnaval sa Nicolas, and that's enough for me. That's enough.
Serio?
By walk about. Tayo na minuto ta in it, see. I do want to experience in it. I actually want to experience like other islands, upper islands sometimes. It's on my list to do.
That's definitely on my to-do list. Pero like as of right now, Jules, Kira Dios, you have to join in at least one
The sun kills me though.
But you don't feel it. Kira Dios. Like you feel it, but you don't feel it. It's like una vez like on your way, walking with your pieces, kutura sa with the money. Solo que su mama mes. Pero kira Dios, ora bisti e kose anto the tune starts anto bota just tempo vai. Gente que sabe po threat, e bota canta, e bota yes! Hey, the best.
Road is like
the best.
Stage.
The best. I'm sorry, nothing. I would not play carnival. Sorry, it's just the best experience ever.
You don't release. It's like you dance. You just unleash. You just feel yourself.
And the police no po sa cabo. Bula barikada. Nah. Minir abo bula barikada. How about that? Shout out to Kapia. I love them, pero like just saying, you know.
Yeah, you need to get much into it and not to forget to be.
They go in. Last question from this list. Okay, are you a beach bum girl?
Define a beach bum girl.
I have no idea.
Hey, was like funny. You know the echt meneer, wat de echt een beach person, a beach bum, of wat de echt meneer mermaid side, and I'm like, what do I give off? Like, thank you, nada malo, but I'm like, they really like categorizes me.
The questions came in with a beach bum girl.
Please define that. I don't know.
Say no more. I will ask her. I will definitely ask her this. Whatever this means.
I wonder if what's gonna be Urban Dictionary.
I have no idea. I gotta go look this up because like, what the hell is a beach bum girl?
I do love the ocean. Yes. You're actually googling it. I love it.
I mean, let's see if it exists. Okay, an unemployed Oh, okay. You definitely ain't a beach bum girl. Like,
definition.
If they meant it in this way, no. I'll answer for her. No, she is way past being a beach bum girl. Okay, never was, never will be. Let it go. Gracias por todo.
Pero si vou comer num beach bum ko si me gusta tabintar ribong hamaca, riba un riff, and sing the whole day at the beach and grilling and barbecuing, then yes.
She's a beach bum. Beach bum girl. Not just a beach bum. Okay? It's a difference. Okay? As of right now, as of today, there you have a new brand. If you ever want to, you have a new name. Beach Bum Girl Aruba. Say no more, guys. Bikinis and swim stuff coming soon. Prepárate.
That was funny.
Oh my God. Okay. Last question I got for you. Okay. If you had the power to change one thing on this island, what would it be and why?
Wow, that's a big question. Wow, that's a good question. This Kiko mi po cambia.
If you had the ability, the power to change one thing on this island, a law, a rule, whatever.
Wow,
Let's go, girl. Let's go.
Aruba, Kiko mi po cambia. Of na Kiko mi hora. Cambia.
Think about it. Ooh, think about it.
Well, mi tahaya si ku mi bahaya hindi porta mas loving, of mas, not as judgmental, and being more, empathetical tame, of compassionate. Kasi definitely mi tahaya ku wasa hindi ta huwag pa husga di biyaha, of like, of nang, they just want to know about like hindi nang bida Misa yung popular Latin sing kundi bisa mundo pequeño infierno grande. It's so like iba to live on a we have a small community as well. Nós não estamos em país de millones. Dus we have to, live with each other. E nos encontrar junto pa by dilante, mentalidad ko ting tama di Rubiano, ko como Rubiano, ko nga sina. Musta like I feel like, and I do see positive changes going on. Si people walk in me circle me and stuff like basta hina around me of this generation do feel like está mejorando bit by bit. But I do feel it po mejora más. Sowieso. Always can be better. Pero está algo kumilo que pa hinata mas mindful about, in this basta judgmental side you have to like, tone it.
What do you feel like porta un practice pa to bring this on? Like for the island, like is there something like there's a way that this could be possible to get it's impossible to get everybody on the wave.
Yeah.
Pero what is something you think we can do as a community pa start like to get
menos
this
judgmental?
like an exercise or a challenge or I don't know.
Amita pensa gewoon or it's hard to give that answer pero amita ita mas women está open-minded pasatame kung si botong gente kalantra privileged tame women está mindful tame kung differente perspectiva differente truths nang nang vida aqui tame no paso bota quiere ku your truth is the ultimate truth e ora seita cancel to otro gente out que me momento gente basta quando visa open-minded anto mita sinti ko mas basta you know yourself and know what you're all about as well iko bota respetar gente tame ko the oppositely tipo tame tanding na no faltabo basta respect of na no hurt po like just respetar ng views not hurting themselves nor anybody this basta di como spio hate si not affectando bo of nang mens not hurting ng mens like ki otro added value so it's more like internally I feel internally the kiko ta express mo ni phone outwardly as well.
I agree with that. Guys, so y'all heard it here, okay? Just be kind. Just give one act of kindness a day, and I swear to God, y'all gonna help the island become a better island.
Yeah.
Just do one kind act. That's it. Like you don't even have to do it the whole day, but just be kind. Smile when people say good afternoon. Like, like hinta has many bong tarit matanang.
Girl, I miss that. Of hinta kung kita wabo man, and I'm like.
Did I say something wrong? Like, you think alcohol loco?
Like, I kumindabo back. Like, mabisa like, and I'm like, what?
Exactly.
And then you say it again with a bigger smile on your face, louder and bigger. Like,
attitude kubo.
I don't get it. I really don't.
Pampa, me see.
Yeah.
Pampa, me see.
Yeah.
But guys, it is officially 8:00. Okay, we are done. This was the Periodico show. This was PYP with my girl, JULIKA THIJSEN. Okay, Jules, any last words? Bukier give off, bukier share some knowledge, bukier anything, like plug yourself, plug Meliorate, where they can find y'all.
See, definitely. So Meliorate Branding Boutique, bupuhay nos riba Instagram or riba Facebook tambe. Inanti tunos contact information. Tame, if you're searching for a recruitment company, Andmar, tame nos ta on Instagram. Irib Karel tame. If you have bigger projects, have some buildings coming up, contact nos on this website na Oti Saruwa tame. So
come through Otis.
Throw it out there.
Gotta do your due, girl. Gotta do your due.
Pero no, yung last advice that I want to give is just to always trust yourself. Confident mo mes. Itame falls nang nang bida ki or bo trompi ka bo kita kai. You have to go through them. Nata opportunities ba kung talanta. Basta make it better. Yung kuhunto kubo thrive tame hen kubuting ron dibo pero. Life to me could be hard, pero isinatasi bueno di gulubida fruta kita dun sweetness tami ko life to give.
That part. You better talk your big one, Jules. Super thank you for coming on. It is my pleasure, girl. I would have you on 500 times again. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, okay? But no, for real, super. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Really appreciate it. Thank you for keeping it all the way real, girl, because y'all know how we do.
That was the goal today. I was like, I'm going to keep it real.
All the way.
Yeah.
I love it, okay? Definitely very much appreciated. Guys, all right, thank you all so much, my loves, my babies. I'm going to see you all tomorrow. Guys, remember today is Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. So head over to Lola's Taqueritas, okay? Get you your little carnitas or chicken moritas, whatever you want to. If you want to buy some for me, that's amazing also. I will definitely take it because y'all know I'm a greedy girl, so I'm going to always eat, okay? But babies, thank you all for everything. I will see you all mañana. Remember, our mantra of the week this week is simple as is, okay? ask yourself, why not? That is it. It is very simple. Be open, be honest, be willing, and challenge your mind. Challenge your mind. It is so simple, so easy. Ask yourself, why not? All right? My loves, gracias por todos. I will see you next time. This next song I got for you is Lose Control by Freddy Rasta.